Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't even know why I'm so excited. Like, I feel like any day that I have an outing or a place to go to, I always have this, excitement within. And I think that's because obviously I'm a stay-at-home mom. So any opportunity I get to be outside, to chill and enjoy, I always excited about it. So today, in the evening, we're going to have a firework. Yeah, fireworks rather. So it's happening at Riverside. That's the Detroit River. You know, we live in a city that shares border with the US. That's the Detroit. So there's a fireworks happening tonight, and it's going to be, very, very eventful and loud. So we want to go experience it. We've never been at any fireworks before. This is like my second year, yeah, second year in this city, and I've never experienced one. I'm usually awake in the night when it happens, and I wake up in the morning and my neighbors are like, did you hear the loud bang and the rest? Honestly, I sleep through the whole process. But today, Obi and I and the kids are going to go experience it firsthand, and I would like to show you guys what it looks like. So this is still morning, and the weather is pretty hot. Like, it's super hot, and I would like to start off with breakfast, lunch, and I'll walk you guys through my day, then while I carry you guys along to the fireworks. So first off, I'm going outside the garden to go pick some strawberry. I'm having oats for breakfast, and Chidera, I don't know what my daughter might have. I'm still breastfeeding my son, and hubby has gone to work, so it's just I and the kids. So yeah, so when it's afternoon, we'll make lunch, and then when it's night, we'll eat something light, and we'll go to the riverside, and I'll carry you guys along. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give this video a thumbs up. If you've not liked this video, please like this video. Same thing as thumbs up, right? What am I even saying? Then leave your comments in the comment section. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I noticed a lot of my viewers are not subscribed. I don't know why. Subscription is free. I've said it countless times, and I'll keep saying. So subscription is free. Just tap on that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified each time I post. I know I'm not consistent, but you guys should manage me like that. Like, it's not easy. I don't know how you guys do it. People that are content creators, like with kids, family, and all of that, like how you guys do it. Like, I am struggling, but yeah, I'm doing my bits. And I'll talk to you guys later. Let's go to the garden so that I'll show you guys our strawberry, our garden, and I'll walk you guys through the rest of my day. That's my towel on the floor. So guys, can you see strawberries? So I'm going to unpick them. I plant this thing like every year. These are strawberries. Can you guys see? These are strawberries. Some are even going bad already. These are strawberries. And this is the only time that I've ever eaten any strawberry, and I liked it because the ones at the store, they're usually not sweet, but this one, this species here in our garden, very, very sweet. They are quite plenty. There are a lot, and they are going bad. I don't know. I thought they were picking it before, but it's obvious that nobody is picking it, so I'm going to pick some. See, it's just morning, but you see how bright everywhere is. Like, the temperature is like 35 degrees. So let me just start picking. And yeah, this is 1, 2. See this one. This one is already bad. No. I think I'll go and call them so that they can open this net so I can pick more. Because they are already ripe inside. Just pick the ones I'll use to drink my oats. Then I'll go and call my neighbor because there's a way they tie this net. They tie it because of the squirrels. If you leave them, if you don't tie this net, if you don't put this net, squirrels will help you to finish all of this. So it's usually safeguarded like this. So I'll just take a few for my oats and I'll let them know inside I want to and pick some so that they can come open this thing. Because see, I don't know if you guys can see it, most of them are already going bad. This is not nice. This is something that we like. Even my son likes it, that boy. So let's go. So I told my neighbor about the strawberry and he decided to help me and pick them. Like, guys, can you see these ones are even bigger and very fresh. And I forgot to show you guys a cherry plant. The one on the left is the cherry plant. Is a plum like kind of fruit. It's fleshy and it's sweet as well, but I think I prefer the strawberry. So this is what it looks like this summer. I like this summer for one.
Banana squeeze, squeeze. So fun. Happy birthday to you.
Just good. Enggak banyak.
So great. So fast.
So we are en route to the riverfront. This is 9:42 p.m. and guys, can you see how bright everywhere is? Like, there's traffic around to 10 because of, you know, what's happening at the riverfront today, fireworks. And yeah, we're already dressed. Honestly, me, I'm not dressed. Let me not just lie. I just had to rush things off. So I'll carry you guys along and you guys will see what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys how the road looks like, how busy everywhere is looking at almost 10 p.m. The fireworks is going to launch at 10 p.m. and I hope we'll get a spot to park because everywhere is already looking crowded up, like traffic, people walking and all of it. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later when we get to that place. So I hope you enjoy watching. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. We've passed the busy place. Guys, can you see people walking on the walkway? See, like everybody is, you know, marching towards the riverfront. This place is not even busy safe. We've passed where it was busy. I would have showed you guys, but let's keep going. I'll show you guys what 10 p.m. looks like. Fireworks day. These are people walking. See, everybody wants to go catch a glimpse of what it's going to look like. See, I wish I would not have been best for us to walk because when I was going to park this car, see, everybody is walking. Okay, we'll just look for someone and park around, right? You said? I don't mind us trekking, no. I don't mind us trekking.
My boss is in Nigeria. 4. We did a block behind hand.
Jesus, 4 p.m. See our street, oh. We've circled round this city. Oh no, we're going home to park now, right? Can you guys imagine? Hey! Because some of them would be. This is our street. My goodness, there's no parking space anymore. Can't follow.
But you will but you're happy with what?
How about you?
Up there, we're happy with what my feeling.
Okay. Oh. Guys, we're still on the road and it has already started. Can you hear the sound? I can't see it up the sky, but it's already happening. It's happening. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see it up. You see? I don't know why my camera is blurry. Let's go now, catch it.
Slide here! Slide!
Guys, I cut it for you guys. So beautiful. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry. It's a roadblock. So let's have it. This is it. God, this is so beautiful to watch. That's my third land, our father. I'm here. Isn't this beautiful? So I heard this is going to last for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, thereabouts. Google. Oh, Google. Start. Okay.
20 minutes, guys.
Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Wow.
That's land this is
Eh.
yeah, still okay.
Tona Bobo. Tona, you need to see this. Let me turn you around. Can you? Enough here. Look up. Okay, yes, I just turned the flash off. look like it's just yes, okay.
Hopefully, maybe Canada we can have it.
Ah. Are you sure I won't be seeing it from his place? Ah, this one is so fine. So beautiful. Is that not fair? Eh? I knew. Wow. Take say me fa. Ah, Maka. It's dark, like really dark. More. Can you see that one dropping like one coal of fire? Mama, what's person? Isi ya kuloge. Nne. Eh? Oh, only 2 minutes. 2 minutes can you put one? Is it? Is it not funny? Canada today. Because before ndị na-atọlụ nwatakịrị kịta ịlụchapụ ebe a ịnyefu anyị atọlụ nwa gị. Before that position delie ifulu ntị ya. Ọ dị so loud as you thought. Ka ọ na ndịda. Okay, new scissors, okay. Okay, and now can you know sideways? Yeah. Oh, kaya kumikibayal yan na budget. Na change go. Makifa na kuno. If I go 1028. Yeah, see. Na pute abia chonye. My time if I give it up. I bet 10 something, 10. Tona is even enjoying it. He has some earbuds on. Or traffic. Makandida nana. Wow, we enjoy it. Yeah, right. Are you serious? Hi guys, welcome back. So we just got home now, and I like to take my bath and try out this new skincare that I got from Riversol. So I want to try it out so that I'll see if it's something that is suitable for my skin and so I can maintain it. I've been struggling with what to use since I put to bed. Yeah, I've used a couple, but I don't think I've got the results that I want, or I just want something that that I'll be on for long. It's not something today I'll feel like I'm not getting, that maximum result. So that's what I'll be doing tonight. It's a 15-day sample kit just to see if it's suitable for my skin, and I'll remain stuck with them like forever, I hope. So yeah, so I'll just go and take my bath and I'll talk to you guys later. So tired, like the weather is so hot. This is like 35 degrees, like my back everywhere is super hot. It's never been this hot, like the whole of summer. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is the sample kit, the 15-day sample kit I told you guys about. It's from Riversol, and I've had this for quite some time. I think before I got pregnant, or during when I was pregnant, I think thereabouts. And hold on, Chelo. And I didn't want to use it then because that period I didn't understand my skin. Yeah. Okay, for Jenna room, oh. So but now I really want to see what, you know, it looks like. Oh, I hope I don't disrupt how it's arranged. So see what it looks like. This is the the first two sachet here is the 1 to 5, and it's a cleanser and a moisturizer. So I'll just use these first two for day 1 to 5. Then 6 to 10 days is cleanser, serum, and a moisturizer. And the 11 to 15 is cleanser, serum, and moisturizer. Then they gave me a bonus, which is the exfoliating glycolic peel. So yeah, I've never really been a skincare kind of person, but I want to start trying. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. So let's start with the hydrating cream cleanser. Then I'll work this in first before I use the daily moisturizing cream. So let's go. Chidera, bring my face towel, please. Ask me to go slow and steady. So it will just help me to, you know, adjust with the antioxidant that all of the product contains. So I'll be using these 2 sachets for 5 days, and I'll be using it in pea size because they said it a little goes a long way. So yeah, so let me start with the hydrating cream cleanser. This is what it looks like, and this is the daily moisturizing cream. This is what it looks like. And yeah, let me see. I think I started using this. I think what made me to, you know, order for this sample kit was because a friend of mine wrote well about it on Facebook, and she was like, they're just a new company and they're trying to, you know, penetrate the skincare market, and their product is very nice. I was like, well, since they have sample kits for you to try before you know, buy their product, so why not? So that's why, you know, I wanted to use it. Let me see. This actually feels really nice. I've never seen a cream cleanser before. All I usually see is the one that you know, you apply and you wash off. Actually hydrating. I feel moisturized already. I used to use CeraVe cleanser. Let me show you guys. This is what I use, and I've not been consistent. You know, when I bought this thing, like months back, and I only use it when I apply makeup and I want to get all the makeup off, and I don't usually apply makeup. I rarely apply makeup, maybe when I'm going out, otherwise no. So I'll be stopping this one. I'll be relegating it for now while I, you know, do this sample stuff. So next on the list is the daily moisturizing cream. I feel good already. Like, it's not sticky. I like the feel. You know, there are some moisturizers that you use and everywhere will just be sticky, but this one is hydrating. It feels hydrating at the same time. My face is not oily, wet and shiny. I don't like all those skincare that you finish rubbing, everywhere will just be oil. This one has oil, but it's minimal. So work it through my neck and my face. Oh, I like this already. This actually feels nice. Like, I can already see the glow. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for 15 days to see the end result. Like, this feels really hydrating. I love it already. So yeah, make sure it gets across everywhere on my face. Just use the remaining one and rub on my hand. So yeah, and I'll seal it in with my lip balm. say if you have clear skin, you don't know what God did for you. Because this thing is actually work for me. I hope I can keep up with this routine because I really like it. It feels nice. So yeah, I think I'll be ending my vlog now because I really need to catch some sleep. I'm super tired, and I just want to say thank you for watching. If you've watched up to this extent, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.